I am so happy. We're gonna be doing a review of the Glow Recipe library, and I just thought it was like a PR package that they were selling or something like that. But I snagged it because I love Glow Recipe. It is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, Korean skincare brands. And I just love their packaging. I love their clean ingredients. Lots to love about Glow Recipe. Also, when I did the other video of the Glow Recipe, the mini, I think it was like the fruit sellers. Anyways, I will insert card here, but you can definitely check it out. It's been like, I don't know how many years since, but it definitely got a lot of views. So obviously, you guys must also like Glow Recipe as well. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. This is how it looks, guys. It is so adorable. First pocket, it comes with a library card, and in this library card it gives 2 clips. Oh my gosh, check this out, guys. I don't know if you can see it, you can read it. It is so adorable. It basically has like dates and then the different Glow Recipe products on here, and it's so cute. It's just like that old school library card. Also, which I will be using, I saw, are these cute little Glow Recipe clips. So it comes with 2 of these clips. Hair out of the face. So guys, I always say I'm doing this at night because some of their products are nighttime products. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys. So this costs, I think it's like about $160, but they're like, a lot of it is full-size products, and a lot of them I already own and love, and a lot of them, or more of them, are ones that I wanted to try that I haven't. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if not, at least aesthetic and cute. Let's just go ahead and get started one by one. Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I actually just cleansed my face. That's the first one, and the funny thing is it doesn't really say like what the benefits are. This one is my favorite, and it's probably yours too. If you know Glow Recipe, you know that they are known for their Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. And when I tell you guys, this thing is like amazing, it truly is. This is gonna be my 3rd bottle because it really does make your skin feel really nice and tight and moisturize. I don't know how they do it, but if I were to recommend one thing for you to try from Glow Recipe, I would highly recommend this product. It's amazing. I feel like my skin is snatched and glowy. This is the one that everybody has been ranting and raving about for a while, and this is the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. It's actually a squirt bottle. Oh wow, it's actually kind of jelly too. It's like a gel. And I have my mirror here as well. I could totally see how and why this is such a great, why people also love this new toner. Well, not only because of the product, it's like a squirt bottle, so it doesn't get everywhere or spill through your fingers. It's a little bit more thick, and it just soaks right into the skin. Already 2 for 2 full-size products. This one is the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Can you all see? So I don't recall ever trying this, but I definitely, I just love, I know I'm gonna love it all, so that's why I'm just so happy to be able to get this box. Girl, it is like everything and some, and it is worth it. If they have this, y'all just already know to get it. Just grab one. Go online and find it and grab it. It is so freaking worth it. So that's the eye serum. I don't know. I don't obviously feel the effects yet, but as far as having it on, it absorbed very nicely. I like how it's vitamin C, so it will brighten the under eye. Brightening my under eyes is not a huge concern of mine, but first impression is so far so good, I guess. This is the next one it comes with. Here is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. It's for clarifying and detoxifying. Honey, and this is amazing because you can just layer it on, or at least I am. So this, oh, it smells so good. Honestly, I definitely just want to drink these. I'm so thirsty, and also it smells so freaking delicious. It smells like strawberry for sure. You guys let me know, what do you guys think so far? Honestly, my skin is just glowing, crazy glowing. Then I have the next ones that I'm gonna go over. So some of them might be a little redundant because obviously it's called Glow Recipe. And I've also already got this one before. This is the Plum Hyaluronic Cream. This is like perfect for nighttime, extra moisture. I'll show you guys the consistency of it. But I have dry skin, so if you have dry skin and you need a moisturizer that will penetrate your skin and is very thick and concentrated, but doesn't make your skin feel all gross and oily. Oh my gosh, and I didn't even realize that you can actually refill the pods in this glass container, so you don't have to keep purchasing it, which is probably more economical down the road, because it literally says like refill pod on here. So you can see it's almost like, it has like a curdy yogurt kind of texture to it. Oh, really though, I mean, there's also a recent one that came out. It's Laneige, and I have that, and that works okay as well. Man, I forgot how good this feels on my skin. So if you have dehydrated skin and you want to plump your skin out, make it more supple, like a boiled egg, definitely recommend as well. Okay, then the second to last product that we have that I also want to try is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery. Serious guys, these are literally all full-size products. Like, how can you seriously go wrong with that? So I'm gonna put this recovery serum for the texture. Let's see if that's the texture of it. It smells like avocados. Oh my gosh, this also feels so nice and jelly-like and lightweight, but still very moisturizing. So this would be perfect for acne prone skin. Oh, it feels so good. It's like a skin calmer. Oh wow. So it's very cooling as well. Guys, as you can see, I am glowing. Oh my gosh, can I glow anymore? Actually, I could. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, and I won't even review this one because do I really have to? I think everybody already knows about this. I do like it, but I just feel like I can't get other alternatives that would give me the same glow. But if you don't have any other alternatives, girl, this will make your skin glow. But I have someone that I want to give this to, so I am not going to open it. I think she'll really enjoy it. She will love it. And it's kid friendly, so I'm going to give this to my niece. But basically, guys, I am so happy that I got this set, and you definitely should too. I feel like this is a horrible review. This isn't really a horrible review. This is just showing you what is inside this Glow library, and then you can make your own judgment that you think is worth it. I personally do, because for $160 you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full-size products. So you can do the math. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.